So I'm Cindy Gregory. I'm the CFO of Royans Transport Accident Repairs. We are a smash repair or accident repairer for the transport industry, and we've been in the industry for over 78 years. With the accounting package we have, it's a very good operating system for the workshop floor. It's not so great for accounting. So I have 29, or actually 30 different general ledgers across the business, and my accounting package doesn't consolidate. So for me, it was 2 days a month spent consolidating in Excel my results. And if something changed or as a formula error, it was, always a little bit time consuming to fix it. The reason why I liked Adaptive is because it was the look and feel of Excel. So for me, who's come from Excel land, it wasn't a new system, completely foreign to me that I'd have to learn. It was also good that it can be used across many different systems. So whether we're using a Xero or we're using ibodyshop, which is very specific to the industry I work in and the system we're using, or even Excel-based models, it could all pull it all together in one big database and order and sort it all so you can do what you want with the numbers. The beauty of now having it all in Adaptive is I've got my consolidation and actuals all going through one platform. I've got my budget and my forecast all going through one system. And the beauty is that a forecast is a game changer for me. So that is, I can get a new version created, I can tinker at the bottom up view, make some high level changes on assumptions and forecast done. So it's great. My month end process was 2 days of consolidation. So that was very manual. It was go into 29 different ledgers, download into Excel an Excel file, do a VLOOKUP, to consolidate it into my master spreadsheet. I've actually had a cash flow built for me as well. I think I get down to about a couple of thousand difference on, we're a 150 mil plus turnover business, so a couple of thousand difference on a cash flow that's just spits itself out for me is amazing. Yeah, the thing that we're really looking forward to with using Adaptive is the development of dashboards. So the QMetrix team is helping me again build some dashboards. What I want is, because my users are not all financial users, they're not used to dealing in numbers, I want it to be more charts, graphs, images, sort of that infographic style, everything on one page, one-stop shop sort of source of truth. And so that's what we're in the process of building. So it's going to have financial metrics on there, obviously, because that's very important for their own KPIs, but it's also going to have some other things in there from a people side of view, a safety point of view. It's going to be looking at sort of workflows and trying to predict those as well. So yeah, we're looking forward to the dashboards coming out as well. They're really responsive. So to the point where it's been budget is due to the board, it's 12 o'clock at night and Nick is on the other side of the email, emailing me back, trying to resolve the issue. So I couldn't be more than happy with QMetrix. So it's been good.